I'm working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and today I'm going to be replacing the multifunction headlight switch. The car currently has 360,324 miles on it, and this is a multifunction switch. This switch has lasted the entire 360,000 miles. One time I had to flip the spring mechanism which controls the auto return, but as you can see, there's a crack right there and makes the whole thing loose. It's super easy to replace. You have to remove this top part of the steering column. There's a few bolts on the bottom part of the steering column. You remove those, and those take a 7mm. So it's super easy to replace. First, you're going to remove the top half of the steering column cover, and then the bottom half. And the bottom half actually has two pieces. This has a few bolts on the bottom, and the top half just pulls off. This has a couple clips. Then the bottom cover has 3 7mm bolts. Then to remove this, there's two electrical connections on the back, but first you're going to have to push down 2 tabs. And there we go. Removing that makes it a little bit easier to sneak out. So there's a clip on the top, clip on the bottom, and then 2 electrical connections. And there is the big old crack. I'm gonna pull this out of my parts car and I'll get a better view of showing you how to pull this out. This car only had, I think, 45,000 miles on it. It was in a front end accident, and when it was hitting the front, it bent the frame rails, and it wasn't really repairable, something I could do. So here are the electrical connections. And this we push down on. Down this top part, and the whole thing just pulls right out. we wrap up all the trim pieces. All right, put on the top trim piece. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.